Hey there, friends and fam. Wowie here at Wowwy'z Workshop. Well, I'm in my backyard, stressing. This is what's going down. They've torn everything out in the back, and they're making a big, huge new complex. This used to be a big row of trees here. It's actually been pretty sad what's going down. I used to have a wood stash in the little alleyway, but now since everything's going to be ripped down and new fences, I had to move it in. So I'm back here tripping because of all my wood. They're all special, awesome pieces, right? Many pieces that Jordy has brought over for me. And then underneath this is a really, really thick wooden coffee table. That's where all my burls, smaller burls and stuff are all in there. So yeah, there's just a little look at what the life of a wood hoarder looks like. And now I gotta deal with all this. So I hope you guys are all doing great. Much love to everybody. There is no YouTube without you. Talk to you soon. That's gonna be a door. A little gnome door. Much love.